So, full time here at Aberystwyth 3, Llandudno 1. I'm here with manager Nev Powell. Nev, we made to work very hard for that, but an absolutely brilliant result. What's your thoughts?
Great result, Matt, as you say. We expected a tough game. Llandudno were an excellent side, and I thought first half we were excellent. We passed the ball, we squeezed them, we won every second ball, we scored 2 goals, could have had a couple more. Obviously we knew they'd come at us a bit second half, and as you say, we let an early goal in, and a lot of teams would have folded, but to be fair, with that defence, with Ashley Young, Marshall in the defence, they were outstanding, and obviously once we put Craig Hobson on, we should have got a couple more goals, to be fair. So we were glad to see that third goal go in, but massive 3 points for us, Matt, and every one of them worked their socks off. The midfield three of Mally Melvin and Tom Owens, they were outstanding in there, Damon Allen. So a tough game, and I thought we thoroughly deserved the 3 points in the end.
They said they had lots of stand-out performances there, so we were having a chat in the stands during the game. It was hard to pick out a man of the match or a outstanding individual. It's just such a good collective performance.
It was, I thought first half John Owen was unplayable at times, and that sets us a standard where we wanted to be. We got players around him as well, and they couldn't handle us, couldn't handle John sometimes during the first half. So, he's done well, but obviously, the problems we've had in the centre of defence over the last couple of weeks. Ashley's gone in there and hasn't put a foot wrong, and we had to withstand a bit of, good play by Llandudno second half to make sure we got that over the line for the 3 points, and we were pleased to see that third goal go in, because it could have been a nervy last 5 or 10 minutes, and we made the subs at the right time. Craig Hobson's come on and held the ball up there well for us, and he's got the goal he deserved, and I think it changed the game a bit where they looked like they were going to go and get an equaliser, and we put Craig on, he's held the ball, and the ball wasn't going up the field as quick as it had been. So but all round, all collectively, that was a real tough 90 minutes, because Llandudno were a good side, and as you say, it's a huge 3 points for us, and we've made this place a bit of a fortress. Our home form's been really good, we're scoring goals and we're passing the ball well, and we are where we want to be at home, and we've got to try and make them away games count.
Credit to Matty Jones there, who carried on with her shoulder injury. How's that looking?
Yeah, it looks like he's just popped his shoulder out, Matt. He's took a heavy fall there, so we'll get that checked out, and as you say, we've got Craig Rogers who can play left back to slot in. It's a good job we have, because it looks like we could lose Matty for a week or two if it's not right. He's done well for us, Matty. He's been one of the success stories of the season, and it was unfortunate to get that injury.
And as you said there, we got home form's been excellent. We've got a fantastic opportunity next week against Prestatyn, who will be coming here looking for revenge for that 7-1 defeat.
It won't be easy. Prestatyn are a good side, and they pass the ball well, and they've got experienced players, and we're not under any illusions, Matt. We're in a dogfight, and the sooner we get safe, the better, and we'll see where that takes us. But it's another huge game next Friday, and the players are aware of that. But if they continue to work as hard as they are working, and keep moving that ball like they are, as you say, we've made this place a bit of a fortress. So we've got to fancy ourselves to get another home win. But as you say, we've got to make sure we keep them levels up first and foremost.
Nev, many thanks for your time and congratulations.
Cheers, Matt.